Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Chris, and in this video, we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to check secure boot state in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Press the Windows key plus R to launch the Run box. Type msinfo32 and hit Enter. This will open the System Information window. Alternatively, you can go to the Start menu or Windows search box, type System Information, and open it. In the System Information window, look for Secure Boot State in the right pane. If your PC has Secure Boot enabled, it will display On. If Secure Boot is disabled, it will display Off. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.